Okay, this is my video and x-rays for CT series or GI contrast study. I have my animal ready to go, been measured. We're going to take our first x-ray of just the animal before any barium has been added. And I have measured, I've got it collimated, and now I'm going to take the picture. Okay, so now I'm going to develop that, and then I'm going to give the barium. Okay, so the reasons why we would do a GI study for an animal is to check the transit time for their intestines and the motility of how fast food is going through their system, and to look for any obstructions and any problems in the stomach. So what we've done is we've taken our animal and already put the tube in. It's all ready to go. All I have to do is cook my barium, but what we would do is stick a roll of gauze in here, get our tube ready, lubricate the end of it after we've already measured from the canine to the last rib and marked the tube, and then we would lube the tube and then pass it down into the stomach. One way to check to make sure we got it, we would check the throat to see if there are two solid rings in there, one being the trachea, one being the tube. Another way is to add some water to the tube, and if the animal coughs, then we know we have it in the trachea instead of the esophagus. So we're going to get our patient ready, and we're going to give the barium. And then we're going to immediately take another x-ray. I'm going to hook this to the tube, give the barium. We calculated this dog to be at 4.9 kilograms. Our dose is 8 to 12 milligrams per kilogram and milliliters. So we calculated 40 mLs for this dog. And then here's where we would take the tube out. We'll put our thumb over the end of it, take the tube out, put the animal on the table, and we'll get ready to take the x-ray now. And now we will put this animal in a cage and wait a half hour, and then we will take another x-ray. And then in another half hour, we'll take another x-ray to see how the passage of the barium is going. Okay, so here we are at the end of our gastro contrast study. And we're going to take our BD and see what's going on inside now, see how far the barium is, and hopefully it's going all the way through the intestines. And now I'll get these developed, and we will look at the series and see what's going on.